Imagine waking up one day and realizing that cash has simply vanished. You open your wallet, no bills. You check your pocket, the coins are gone. Everything you own is now just a number on your phone. Screen a number you can't touch, that can be tracked, and perhaps even blocked. Sounds like science fiction. Well, it's already happening in several parts of the world. And, step by step, silently, this reality is getting closer to us. The world is changing. In places like Sweden, less than 10% of transactions use cash. In China, even street vendors accept payments via QR code. Central banks in many countries are developing central bank digital currencies, known as CBDCs. And while most people don't even notice, bills and coins are slowly disappearing from the streets, from stores, and from our hands. More and more, payments happen with a tap on a screen, a card waved near a reader, or a simple online click. Governments and banks say this is for our own good. It's safer, it prevents robberies, it makes daily life easier. With digital money, you can pay for anything in seconds, no carrying bills, no waiting in line. They also claim it helps fight money laundering and corruption. Sounds perfect, right? But is that the whole story? Or are we only seeing the side they want us to see? Because there is another side, a silent and dangerous one. In a world where all money is digital, whoever controls the system controls you. Every transaction you make can be tracked. Every cent going in and out of your account is recorded. If, for any reason, someone decides you can't spend on a certain product, that purchase simply won't be approved. And don't think this is an exaggeration. Imagine waking up to find your account frozen because you broke a new rule, or participated in something the system disapproves of. Your money, which should be yours, exists only with someone else's permission. And if you think this is far away, it's time to open your eyes. Banks are already limiting withdrawals in some countries. Some merchants refuse to accept cash. Governments have suddenly removed bills from circulation under the excuse of fighting crime. Digital platforms have already blocked users' accounts without warning. And more apps require full identification just to let you make even small transactions. This isn't a plan for 50 years from now, it's happening right now. The impact on your life will be huge. It doesn't matter if you're rich or poor, young or old. Without physical money, we will all be completely dependent on technology and on systems controlled by a few institutions. A system failure could paralyze your purchases. An administrative decision could limit how much you spend. A policy change could dictate what you can or cannot buy. And when that happens, freedom stops being a choice. It becomes a privilege granted to you. We are facing a transformation that many are accepting without realizing it. The end of cash is being sold as modern progress, but it could become the most effective and visible prison ever created. Maybe we are trading autonomy for convenience, and willingly accepting a form of control that one day will be impossible to undo. The question is, when this change finally arrives, will you be ready? If you want to keep understanding what's happening in the financial world and how to protect your freedom, subscribe now to Financial Health Today. Leave your like, share this video with as many people as possible, and let's open our eyes together before it's too late.